First-hand experiences. At traditional ceremonies, what they do is they brew beer, and then they bring in musicians, mbira players with shakers, with the mbiras. They come as a group and they play so much such that the spirit of the ancestors comes and settles in maybe one of the members of the family or whatever, and you can see him getting eclectic and whatever, feeling all the kicks and, kind of like possessed by the spirit. Within the family, each family knew who is likely to be, who is likely that the ancestors would love to share their voice through. So you get one. So as these mbira players play and so on, and this person gets into that kind of state and starts sharing what the ancestors expect of us. So I've seen this happening firsthand. They call them, biras and so on, these traditional ceremonies. Yeah. So if there's a problem, say within the village and so on, they call for one of these sessions to take place. And then you get that telling, that, coming up. Yeah. Initially, okay, as a child, you watch it from afar. You are, there's more like shock and everything together. You're just looking at all this group of adults doing what they're doing, and you're feeling, oh my God, what's happening here? But as you grow more into it, you begin to understand what's happening. And then when that kind of spirit is subsided and has gone back, and the person comes back to his normal self, and when people share now what the experience was, you get to understand they are getting their solutions for problems that's been affecting the village through that spirit medium and so on. So it goes into your system too, to learn to appreciate and understand that culture. Africanus.